swamp.
Ang ganda dito sa una.
This is swamp.
This was swamp when I was here. Even,
You're from here also?
I'm from that point.
Oh, okay. Oh, beautiful. Ang daming gabi.
Saan pa kayo magpapasyal dito sa
Florida.
Punta na kami ng Hollywood,
Universal?
Universal, pumunta kami ng Disney World.
Oh, ayun gusto niya pumunta eh.
Punta kayo
ba?
sa
Takot ako. Takot ako. What is?
Epcot. Doon sa Disney.
Ano yung Epcot?
Yung parang Disney.
Ah, talaga po may ganun. Hanapin ko nga.
Mas malapit kaysa sa Mas malapit dito. Dito na? Mas malapit kayo sa Epcot from here.
This is crazy. Wala na mga akit dito.
Ilocano pa niyo. Ilocano ito Batangas niya. Binabanda na Kabiling kala ka mo. Ang cute ito.
It's crazy. And scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's wrong with the alligator? Snakes. Oh my goodness. Ano yung tumatanong? What is making that noise? The bird? Yeah?
Yeah.
You haven't seen an alligator yet here?
I'm sure they're out here, but
I'm
they may have
scared.
them blocked from going back in.
Uh-huh.
But there'd be gators out here. They probably wouldn't be a part of that.
Mm-hmm.
They could just be wild gators out here.